Hey everyone, Brian here, your honest mechanic. Today we're talking about gray exhaust smoke, something that makes every mechanic's ears perk up. If you're seeing this from your tailpipe, you'll want to stick around because I'm breaking down exactly what it means. Quick favor, if you find this video informative, please like and subscribe. Every like helps more people find this information. Now before we get into the causes, let's clear up something important: the difference between white and gray smoke. White smoke is typically thinner and has a sweet smell. That's usually coolant getting into places it shouldn't be, often from a head gasket issue. You might see some thin white smoke on cold mornings, but that's just condensation, and it's normal. Gray smoke, on the other hand, is darker and usually has a burnt smell. This is what we're focusing on today, and there are 5 major causes you need to know about in no particular order. 1. Worn piston rings. Let's start with one of the most common culprit, worn piston rings. These little rings create a seal between your pistons and cylinder walls. When they wear out, oil sneaks past them into your combustion chamber. You'll notice more smoke when accelerating, and your car might start burning through oil faster than usual. 2. Valve seal failure. Next up, valve seals. Think of these as the bouncers at the club, keeping oil from sneaking into your cylinders through the valve guides. When these seals get old or damaged, you'll see gray smoke, especially after your car's been sitting idle. You might notice it's worse when you start up in the morning or after parking for a while. 3. PCV valve problems. The PCV valve might be small, but it's mighty important. It regulates pressure in your engine by routing gases from the crankcase back to the intake manifold. When it fails, it can't regulate that pressure properly, and oil vapor gets sucked into your combustion chamber. You might notice rough idling along with that gray smoke. 4. Turbocharger seal issues. For those of you with turbocharged engines, listen up. Your turbo uses engine oil for lubrication, and it spins at incredibly high speeds. When those seals start failing, oil can leak into your exhaust or intake system. You'll notice more smoke under acceleration when that turbo's really working. 5. Transmission fluid burning. Now here's one that often surprises people. Your transmission fluid can cause gray smoke too. If you have an older car with a vacuum modulator, it can fail and send transmission fluid into your engine's intake manifold. This creates a distinctive gray smoke and might come with some transmission shifting issues too. Now here's the important part. Don't ignore gray smoke. While white smoke from condensation on a cold morning is normal, consistent gray smoke means something's wrong. The longer you wait, the more expensive the repair might become. Well, that's it for today. Folks, if you find this video on exhaust gray smoke helpful, please don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching. Brian here. Until next time.